The Statue of Liberty, a great symbol of America. 1. Introduction. Has the Statue of Liberty disappeared? Imagine waking up one morning and seeing the shocking headline, "The Statue of Liberty has disappeared from New York." This may sound like an absurd story, but recently, some French politicians have raised the question, does America still deserve this symbol? European Parliament member Raphael Glucksmann has argued that modern America has strayed from the values of liberty that the statue represents. Some have even suggested returning the Statue of Liberty to France, sparking intense debate. But before discussing whether the statue should be reclaimed, let's go back in time and explore the fascinating history of how this symbol came to be. 2. The origins and meaning of the Statue of Liberty. In the mid-19th century, French politician and historian Edouard de Laboulaye came up with the idea of gifting the United States a monument to celebrate the 100th anniversary of American independence, 1776 to 1876. This gift was not only a symbol of friendship between the two nations, but also a tribute to their shared values of freedom and democracy. Renowned sculptor Frederick Auguste Bartholdi designed the statue, drawing inspiration from the Roman goddess Libertas. She holds a burning torch, a symbol of enlightenment, and a tablet inscribed with the date July 4th, 1776, the day the United States declared independence. At her feet lies a broken chain, symbolizing the end of oppression. 3. Construction and transportation. Due to its enormous size, the statue had to be built in sections in France. The brilliant engineer Gustave Eiffel, the mastermind behind the Eiffel Tower, was tasked with designing the iron framework to help the statue withstand harsh weather conditions. In 1885, the statue was disassembled into 350 pieces, packed into 214 wooden crates, and transported aboard the ship Isère to New York. The journey across the Atlantic took several weeks, and upon arrival, thousands of Americans eagerly gathered to witness this monumental gift from France. The assembly process took nearly 4 months on Liberty Island, involving hundreds of workers. Finally, on October 28, 1886, the Statue of Liberty was officially unveiled in a grand ceremony attended by President Grover Cleveland, who declared, "We are not merely receiving a statue of copper. We are receiving an everlasting symbol of liberty, for a beacon of hope for immigrants." Since its inauguration, the Statue of Liberty has become the most sacred symbol of America. For the millions of immigrants arriving in the United States through New York Harbor, the first sight they encountered was the light from the statue's torch, symbolizing hope, freedom, and a new life. The famous poem, "The New Colossus" by Emma Lazarus, engraved on a bronze plaque at the base of the statue, has welcomed those seeking refuge and opportunity in America. Give me your tired, your poor, your huddled masses yearning to breathe free. The statue quickly became an icon of the American dream, representing the idea that anyone willing to work hard could find success and opportunity. 5. Modern controversies surrounding the Statue of Liberty. Despite being a universal symbol of freedom, the Statue of Liberty has become a topic of debate today. Some French politicians have questioned whether the United States still deserves this gift. In recent years, protests over immigration policies, racial inequality, and personal freedoms have erupted across America. Critics argue that the ideals represented by the statue are eroding, and some have even suggested that France should reclaim the Statue of Liberty. Of course, such an event is unlikely, but it raises a significant question. Does modern America still uphold the ideals that the statue stands for? 6. The Statue of Liberty, an eternal symbol. Despite all controversies, the Statue of Liberty remains one of the world's greatest symbols. Each year, millions of tourists from around the globe visit New York to admire this magnificent monument. No matter how the world changes, the light from the Statue of Liberty's torch continues to shine, a timeless reminder of humanity's desire for freedom. What do you think? Does the Statue of Liberty truly belong to America, or is it time to redefine its meaning?